we're back. I still got to paint the walls in here, like I said. Turn the light on. I got to try to get some of these lights going so it's not so freaking dark in here, and all that good stuff. Yesterday, me and Mickey made a mission. My garage doors were in. I picked them up. That'll give me something else to do. I did get lights for out here to hang so I can get the shop going. I like to get these doors on, that way I can close this thing up and put my openers on, set up shop. I did, or we did, order the floor. It's supposed to be in a couple of weeks. I'll have to go pick that up, but I want to get this ceiling fan hung up here. I can drop that and get that out of here for now. I will have to probably set up a stage, maybe two, to trim all that out. So we'll deal with that then. Ugh. Spiders. What's wrong with this juice? Anywho, I'm gonna get these lights put in here, and this fan, pull all this paper off, and we'll get after it.
Built this thing from the ground up out of nothing. No flight plan, no manual to be found. You and I, we're driving in the dark without headlights, trying to find our way. It's hard telling where we'll be in the coming days, but I'll be there with you. It's hard telling where we'll be in the coming days, but I'll be there with you. I'll be here with you. Built a wall around my heart to stop the bleeding. More than made of all the words that I should have said to you. And we're walking through the fire and the smoke clouds, trying to find our way. It's hard telling where we'll be in the coming days, but I'll be there with you. It's hard telling where we'll be in the coming days, but I'll be there with you. I'll be here with you.
Well, there you go, folks. Even though they screwed me out of the battery, but at least it worked. Might have to balance the blaze a little bit. I don't know if I can get rid of that weight a little bit. Book says run it for 24 hours and see what happens. So we'll see what happens. On to the next. Okay, I resprayed the ceiling. It's looking about 1,000 times better. Hopefully when it's all done drying. Got Mickey on her day off. We're gonna paint these walls. I taped off the corners. Probably not the way a painter would do it, but I'm not a painter. Anyways, we'll see what happens. Maddie, you're being awfully nosy. You're being awfully nosy. I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
It's hard telling where we'll be in the coming days, but I'll be there with you. It's hard telling where we'll be the coming days, but I'll be there with you. It's hard telling where we'll be the coming days, but it's hard telling where we'll be the coming days, but I will be there with you. I'll be here with you.
We're back. Anyways, got the living room all painted. We're gonna paint this main bath next, and then the master bedroom. Had to do a little drywall touch up. We'll let that dry, give it a light little brush, and then paint this mamma jammer and be done with the paint for now. Anyways, I got Mama here helping painting on her day off, which I greatly appreciate. I gotta tape the ceiling off in both these rooms. I know that a real painter would just cut it in, but I'm not that good, so I'm gonna tape it off. I did tape off the living room, ended up with nice clean lines down the ceiling, so that's what my intentions are next. So here we go. didn't record because my cars are full. Anyways, I got the garage electrical trimmed out, lights hung up. I did get this one door in and rolling. We'll put this one in next, and then I have a couple openers to put up. Tomorrow I have to go pick up my floor. It came in. I wasn't expecting it till the end of the week, but it's here, so I'm going to go get it, have it on hand. I will have to trim out all this electrical in here and prep the floor, and we can get the floor down. I don't know if I had any video. I did get this fan up. I might change that. Mama didn't like it. I got the big fan rolling. I do have to get up there. I got a little bit of a noise. See what's going on up there. Haven't got to that. So, oh, mini splits. Did get the mini splits hung up here and here. Gonna give a guy a call. He's a HVAC man. Just want to make sure I don't have any leaks and get these things fired up and make sure they're running all right, have enough Freon, all that good stuff. Anyways, that's coming to the future.